In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate pips on TradingView. Before we dive in, a quick refresher: a pip is the standard unit of price movement in Forex. For most currency pairs, 1 pip equals 0.0001. For pairs that include the Japanese yen, 1 pip equals 0.01. Keeping that in mind will help everything else make sense. First up, the quickest method uses TradingView's built-in price range tool. Look to the left-hand toolbar and find the icon with two arrows pointing up and down. That's the one. Click it, then click once on the starting price of your trade and drag to the ending price. When you release the mouse, TradingView shows the distance between those 2 points in pips on the right side of the chart. If your chart is crowded, zoom in a bit so your start and end points are precise. And make sure you're selecting price range, not date range. The names are similar, but only price range outputs pips. If you prefer an automated approach, you can use a pip calculator indicator. Open the Indicators menu, search for a pip calculator script, and add it to your chart. Once it's applied to the currency pair you're trading, it will display a small interface. Enter your account balance, your chosen risk percentage, and your stop loss in pips. The indicator will then calculate the lot size for you, based on those inputs. This is handy for consistent risk management. Just remember that third-party scripts can differ in how they treat pip values and contract sizes, so double-check that the logic matches your broker's specifications, especially on yen pairs or symbols with different tick sizes. Finally, you can always calculate pips manually. Identify your entry and exit prices on the chart. Subtract the lower price from the higher price. For example, if Eurist moves from 1.1050 to 1.1065, subtract 1.1050 from 1.1065 to get 0.0015. On most pairs, you convert that to pips by dividing by 0.0001, which gives you 15 pips. If you're working with a yen pair, divide by 0.01 instead. Manual calculation is great for a quick sanity check or when you want to verify what a tool or indicator is showing you. To recap, use the price range tool for fast visual measurements, the pip calculator indicator for planning position size based on risk, and manual math when you want full control and confirmation. With these 3 methods, you'll always know exactly how many pips you're dealing with on TradingView.